Good morning. Okay, I need to investigate something that I've been procrastinating on for a long time. But it's kind of important. If Blockhead cannot load this file for some reason, if I just rename it, then it used to be that it would just crash immediately when you tried to run, I think. But now what happens is it opens it opens like this, and everything sort of looks a bit janky and weird. Oh, sorry. And as soon as you try to do anything, like interact with anything in any way, usually the way that people report this bug is I open Blockhead, and when I click on the settings, it crashes. Because that's like apparently the first thing that people do when they get to this point. And basically, if it gets to this point, it's because this has failed to load for some reason. In this case, I've just changed the name of it, so it hasn't loaded it. But as soon as you click anything, it will just sort of freeze for a second and close. I don't know if that's a crash or if that's actually the Godot engine, like deliberately shutting down the engine, because you're trying to interact with native scripts that haven't been loaded in. So I want to try and do something better in this situation, because there's two reasons why this might fail to load. One is because I made some kind of mistake in deployment, I guess. Or I guess two reasons. Another reason is, I guess you're trying to run it. I was going to say if you're trying to run it on the wrong architecture, but it would probably fail before that point in that case. Also, if you're on Windows and you don't have the C++ redistributable installed, then you'll get into this like weird state where it doesn't manage to load that DLL, but it doesn't tell you that that's happened. But I'm not actually sure how to detect that, because it's the Godot engine that's sorting that out for me. So let's see. This is just part of like the way that native scripts work in Godot, so I'm not in control of anything. Also, I think if I go to logs now and look at the latest Blockhead log, yeah, it's basically telling me exactly can't open dynamic library this.dll. So it's generating that error, but it's not presenting it to the user in any way. I wonder if I can like capture that error somehow. I don't know. Basically, if this happens, then I want it to like show up. Just to like inform the user. So if I delete this here and then go here, it will give me errors in the debugger, I think. But at what point is this happening? I don't think it's anything that I can do anything about. Is there error handling in GDScript, I wonder? Like these are I don't know at what point this happens. I don't think anywhere that I can intercept the init library. This is when the autoload tries to load. And then there's this script. Oh, that's another autoload. So I have these autoloads, which mostly are not even used anymore. I think it's literally just this one that's actually used. Hmm. What can I do? I'm not sure if it's possible to even intercept that at all. Let's search for Godot. I don't know, I don't think there's going to be anything. Maybe that. Maybe I can use... Is it a resource? Does the library count as a resource, maybe? Probably not. Native script. Hold on. GD native library. This might be the answer. So the idea is I would write some code in GDScript if it's possible to detect if the library it's not going to be this, is it? It might be this. How does this work? I could wait, hold on. It's been so long since I've used GDScript, I can't actually remember. How do you create a new script? That's it for a new scene. How do you create a script? I just want to create a script file. There we go. Startup validator. And then we add it here. Has means the resource exists. Has cached. Once the resource has been loaded. Has cached. So it'll be res auto load. Auto load. And this happens after everything else. I don't know if this is going to work at all. false. Okay, and if I put the library back, and do it again. Oh. True. Oh my god, that is actually perfect. Cool. Okay, that's great. So now I need to pop up a message in the middle of the screen. And I need to implement it using GDScript, which I can't. It's been so long since I wrote any GDScript, I can't actually remember how it works, but that's let's just add a thing here. Startup error. It just covers the entire screen. That's what I'm going to do. Startup validator. Where's that script gone? So if this fails to load, just trying to remember the syntax. There's no braces, are there? I think it's get tree. Is it get? Oh, can I not do get tree? Scene tree. Oh my lord. Get tree. Oh, that is part of node. Okay. But then that returns what? The scene tree. Get tree. Get node. Startup error. I think. Show. And this is let's do a big black square. There's no such thing as get node. How is it? Is it root? Hold on. Scene tree. Root. Wait, that returns a viewport. Yeah, that is what I want. Root. Okay. How does this work? I don't remember. What the? Can I just list the nodes? Because I'm not sure I'm doing the right thing here. For child in get tree root get children. Nope. Get children. It says an array of print child. Is there a name? It has a name, right? Name. Oh, this is the auto load. Okay. So how do I get? Oh, there it is. Blockhead main. So I go blockhead main. I remember. So the root. This is not the root node, actually, because the root node contains the default scene plus the auto loads. That's how it works. I remember. There we go. Okay. Failed to launch. Failed to initialize. To make it I'm gonna have to go margin container, and then put this like this. I want to give this a slightly different font, so font, what do I have? Oh, that's a that's the old font. Can I? I think I have somewhere. Is it this one? Yeah, big font. It might not be called .dll. On macOS it's not called .dll. So this problem does happen on macOS and Linux as well. Oh, on macOS and Linux. So it was happening like a couple of builds ago because I was accidentally dynamically linking to the Boost libraries. And so that was just another reason why the shared library was failing to load. I need to like get blockhead name. I have to check what operating system we're on. Somehow. think it's somewhere in here. Oh, get name. OS6. No. Linux. So it has to be X11. Wait. Oh, it doesn't show up. Strings don't show up in the search. I'm sure there's a way to get the oh, okay, I can use this. Okay, get name. So it's OS X, Windows, or X11. So if name equals, wait, is it get name or just, can I just do name? Get name. I have to do get name. If get name equals Windows, doesn't like this because of the bracket. Ah. Okay, get load info label set text. I always forget how format strings work in GD Native as well, in GD Script. I think I do percent and then like that. And then I'm going to add more information. Not all arguments converted during string. Oh, because you have to actually put it in an array. Nope. GD script string formatting. So like this. I don't understand. What am I doing wrong? Oh, dot format. This documentation is not good. Am I allowed to like mix this with this, or do you have to, if you're doing the curly bracket thing instead of this, do you have to do it format or what? It doesn't say. Dot format. And then you put it in an array. Is that the way? Apparently, yeah. It doesn't work! Why does nothing fucking work? Are none of these working? Yeah, it should return that. What did I do wrong? Is it like that or what? Oh, this is Godot 4 documentation probably, right? Did they change it? I bet they changed it. There's no documentation for 3.6. They did change it, look. This documentation's never been good. It doesn't look like it's even any better in Godot 4. Anyway, okay. Info text. Possible reasons for this. And then we list some reasons depending on the operating system. Let's make the font bigger as well. In fact, let's do something. How do I modify the scaling, screen scaling? I don't know how to do it. Scaling. Set screen scaling. How does this work? Somewhere around here I have some actual code that applies the screen scaling. Here. Set screen stretch, blah 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 blah. Okay. First thing we do is make things bigger. Get tree, set screen stretch, disabled. Aspect ignore, min size. Scale 2. I should just make it twice as big, I think. Yes, okay. Just to make sure they can read it if they're looking at it on a big monitor. Can I still resize this? And it works okay. So if I'm on Windows, need to install C++. What's it called? What's it actually called? No. It's called the Microsoft C++ Runtime Libraries. I guess it should be a link that they can click on, huh? So I need to use a rich text label. PBCode text, set PBCode. No. Why does that not show up? Hello. Why? What? What? What's going on? It doesn't expand to the required height, apparently. Scroll active. Why is this? Oh, this is really good. What a cool control. You have to like set... That doesn't make sense. Is it because BB code is complex and they can't actually calculate the required height, maybe? That would be stupid. Oh, fit content height. There we go. I found it. I'm blind. So. Still doesn't work. Oh, because I commented out the thing. Okay, BB code, BB code, BB code. Center. I could do a link somehow. Check when the user clicks on content between meta tags. URL equals blah blah blah. So URL equals the fuck? Why is it like that? What? Oh, I see. Right. Push meta. Meta clicked. This documentation is not good. It's really bad. Okay. So URL. Let's just see what this does. Also, I need to center everything, right?
Where are you, my baby?
So now I go meta clicked.
Where are you, my baby?
Print meta. Does that print the text? Yes, it does. Okay. How do you open a URL? URL. Open. Shell open, I think. Yes. Yes, it worked. It just opened in my other monitor. Okay. So 2. Second reason might be that
Where are you, my baby? Where are you, my baby?
on Linux, one of the reasons could be that glibc, something to do with glibc. Excuse me. Here. I search for glibc. glibc 2.3. A version of glibc installed on your system is not at least Let's just include that just to see how it looks. I think I should maybe double line break all of these. Okay, so on Windows, this is what they'll get. Which is much better than what was happening before. What other reasons could there be for that library to fail to load? I don't know. Yeah. We didn't extract the entire contents of the zip file. If this works, then it might open my email client, so I'm just going to block out the screen for a second in case there's any sensitive information that it opens. No, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't work for... Apparently shell open doesn't work for email addresses. Oh, it would have to be like this, wouldn't it? Oh, yeah, you can't see what I'm doing, but... Oh yeah, that works. Yeah, I have to have this mail to thing. So right, how do I have different text? So rich text label, again, documentation here is not very good. So you have to I don't understand this. Is the documentation doesn't seem to match up with what it's saying. So it's saying that I can go what was it? Your L equals curly brackets. And then it looks like you're defining a dictionary. So like this. But that's just a syntax error if you do that. So the documentation's wrong, which is cool. But you can't do this. It's a syntax error if you do that. I think what you're supposed to do actually is this. Yeah, exactly. That works. Okay, let me just block my screen again. Sorry. Okay, good. So when I click on it, it opens my email client. This one opens a browser. It starts downloading that. Okay, so I'm just going to mute the microphone while I blow my nose.